In this video, we're going to learn the best ways to use the Morph transition to create beautiful, good looking transitions between slides in PowerPoint. As you can see, this beautiful, good looking transition, it's very fluidish and it's very powerful. And in this video, you're going to learn how to create this using the Morph transition. We're going to create a new blank slide here, get rid of everything that's here. Now we need a background image. Then just right click here and you click on a format background. When you click on picture or texture here, you're going to see the insert button. And because I have downloaded some pictures already in my computer, I'll click on the first option here and I'll look for the downloads here and I will choose this picture here. I'm going to use this as my background image. So when I insert it, it's going to insert beautifully like this. And so we have a slide. Now, when you look at this, we are going to change the look for this. So you click on the picture. Then you see picture colors, you click on this, then you're going to see the presets. You just click on this option here and choose this one, the white and black saturation. Click on that, it's going to apply this effect on this slide, and this is how we want our slide to look like. Now we can close this, and now we're going to insert a rectangle on top of this. So it's a shape. We'll come to shapes here and choose the rectangle shape and draw a rectangle nicely on top of this, like this. When you draw this rectangle, we want to change the color from the color that we are seeing right now to something like the color that is here, the blue-gray text, this color here. Click on this option. Now we also want to reduce the opacity for this one, so we're going to right click on it, scroll down a little bit from these options, then you see the shape format, the format shape option. You click on that. It's also going to open this panel. On this panel, we are going to see the transparency. We want to reduce the transparency for our shape so we can see what's behind, something like this. So we're still able to see the image, but also we have this shape on top. This is what you want. Then I can close this. Now that you're done with this, you also need to insert the text box. So I'll click on the shapes. I'll have this text box option here, and I'll draw my text box on top like so. Then I'll just put my heading here. Then I'll increase the size for this one. I can use this button here to increase the size. Then I'll also have to change the size for the text box a little bit so it looks like this, but also center the text, drag this so it's centered like that. But also we want to change the font for this. I'm going to use this font here. It's very good when it comes to headings. Resize this and put this here to change the text to white so it looks nice on this background. It's blending a little bit with the background, so we want to put the shadow around it. Highlight it, then come to shape format. Then you're going to see this here, word art styles. You click on that, you're going to see different options. What I'm looking for here is just the shadow. When I bring my mouse here, I can choose the shadow of my choice, but this one works very well, so I'm going to choose that instead. And now you can center this like so. Control Shift and dragging this down. Then I'll change the text in here and say subheading, but I'm going to use a different font style for this, and also the size for this text is going to reduce. We're going to reduce this to something like that. The font we're going to use for this one, we're going to use a Sign Painter. This works very well together with the Navia Next font. The Navia Next font and the Sign Page, they do work very well together. Because we copied this text box on top, this one also has the text shadow. As you can see here, we have the shadow that makes the text look even more beautiful. But now we're also going to change the color and the size for this text box a little bit like so. Then we can center this as well. I think this works very well. Yeah, select these two together by pressing the shift, and now we can center this nicely so they look like that. When we're done with this slide, we're going to duplicate it by right clicking on it from this side, and we're going to see the duplicate slide. So we're going to move these two up a little bit like so. They come here. We insert another text box by using these two and draw a text box that's going to look something like this. Paste my text in here, Control V, and here is my text by using the Control D to duplicate. Then you can drag this other text box to this side like so. But now we want to copy these two text boxes here. Now press Control C to copy, and I'll paste my text on this first slide here. I'll paste my two text boxes that I've just copied here. Control V. I'll drag these two text boxes down. Select one of these text boxes and push it even more low at the bottom like this. Then I'll select the second slide here, and this slide I'm going to apply the transition to it. so it makes that beautiful effect. But before this, when I show you how this looks like, it's going to look something like this. We have a beautiful slide here on the slideshow, and I click on the next, it comes in blankly like that instantly. We want to avoid this by applying the transition to this next slide. So how we do that, we select the slide like this, and we come to transitions. Here on the transitions, we have this transition called the Morph transition. So you click on that, and it's going to make your slide look beautiful like that. Let's see this in action. When I select the first slide and go in the slideshow mode, our transition is going to look beautiful. So I placed on the next button here, the beautiful transition is happening the way you expect it, like that. This is beautiful. This is going to make your presentations look more professional, and this holds the attention of the audience. If that's your goal, you can hold the attention of your audience so they pay attention to what you're saying by just using this beautiful, good looking transition. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint videos like this. If you have any question about PowerPoint, or if you want me to create any video about PowerPoint, please leave a comment down in the comment section. I will respond to you. Once again, if this video is helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.